Looking for a smartwatch that has AI built into it? Well, let's look at this product. It's morphin' time! Look at this smartwatch! Whoa! That's nice! Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kieslect Elite2 smartwatch. It's this smartwatch right here, and it's got AI built into it. It's smart. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. That's right. Boo-boo! Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at this Kieslect Elite2 smartwatch right here. It's also known as the E2, and the packaging on this just looks great. It looks super nice and clean. Looks like we got a bunch of supported languages here. Gives us a nice list of features. And wow, some information on the side as well. Everything looks great. Let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this warranty card right here, which is super awesome. So make sure you pay attention to that. We've got a user manual that's included as well. It's just going to give you information on setting up the app and getting it all connected and just what part of the features do. And it also comes in multiple different languages, so very nice. We have a protective screen in the box. It's super cool that they include this. Very nice. We have our charging cable here, and keep in mind this is going to be super important because as you see, it's a unique cable right here for charging it. This will just attach to the back and magnetize to the back of the watch to charge it, but super nice. Do pay attention, don't lose it. And finally, the watch itself. Wow, this thing looks so nice. Right here, we've got our little strap. Go ahead and pull that off so that we can kind of take a look at the back of this. Right here, you'll be able to see where it magnetizes to charge it. It looks like we got a reader here to check blood pressure and things like that, and oxygen. Very nice. The buttons on the side look really good. It twists, it turns, it pushes in, it clicks. Right here we got our power button, but let's go ahead and pull this screen off. As you see, it is on already. So nice. It looks so clean. And it's also touch screen right there, so that's super cool. Wow. Well, let's go ahead and try it out.
This is the Kieslect AI Smartwatch Elite 2. Premium design and durability, it features a microcrystalline nano ceramic bezel, which is harder than titanium and stainless steel. Aerospace grade aluminum alloy frame, 316L stainless steel button, and skin-friendly silicone strap. 5 ATM water resistant. It's got an advanced display. It's a 1.46-inch LTPO 2.0 AMOLED screen with 24-bit true color and adaptive brightness. 80+ animated watch faces with AOD and support for photo and video watch faces. Powerful performance. It's the flagship quad-core chipset for smooth operation. It's 0.1 second response delay. A 510 mAh battery, which is up to 32 days of light usage and 14 days typical and 7 days of heavy use. So even if you use this watch all the time, you're only going to have to charge it once a week. AI and connectivity, it's got built-in ChatGPT AI assistant. That's 25 languages.
There are 24 hours in a day.
With the multi-turn chat, smart schedules, seamless iOS and Android sync, Bluetooth calls and headset connection, and 85+ supported global apps. Precision health monitoring with a 90-second multi-channel health test that does heart rate, blood oxygen, HRV, stress, respiratory rate, and sleep monitoring and heart rate alerts and SOS emergency calls. Sports and navigation, the dual band 6 satellite GPS, which is independent use, pro-grade route navigation, auto recognition for 5 sports, combined sports mode, real-time metrics, and that's pace, calories, and cadence. And it's got some convenient features such as local music storage. It can store 25 to 30 songs. Sedentary reminder, drinking water reminder, built-in compass, and Find My Phone and OTA monthly updates. This watch is fully loaded, it's perfect for you, and it comes at a great price. Great job, Kieslect.
This is our first time working with Kieslect, and I've got to say, this thing is awesome. I'm really surprised by how crystal clear the display is. It's a MOLED, and it's super nice. It's hard to believe that a watch can look so clean for such a great price. It's super nice. We want to give a huge shout out to Kieslect for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.